AI infrastructure projects take years. Capital commitments are massive, and too often what works in a pilot doesn't translate cleanly into production. We believe there's a better way to get there. Introducing the Amphix AI Infrastructure Platform. Amphix is a validated nationwide deployment model designed to help organizations move from site-ready capacity to full-scale AI production with clarity, speed, and confidence. From land and power to cooling and connectivity to compute, orchestration, and live workloads, Amphix aligns every layer as one coordinated system. It starts with the infrastructure-ready campuses, secured land, resilient on-site power, closed-loop liquid cooling for high-density AI, secure high-performance connectivity. So before the first GPU is installed, the groundwork is already certain. On top of that sits a certified multi-vendor technology stack, pre-validated compute architectures, high-performance GPU and accelerators, integrated storage, engineered power and thermal profiles, no stitched-together components, no unpredictable performance, just a validated platform designed for production. And tying it all together is intelligent orchestration, policy-driven control, power-aware scheduling, governance consistency across sites, so AI infrastructure doesn't feel experimental. It feels intentional, optimized, and controllable. Before scaling, organizations validate in Amphix AI centers of excellence. Real workloads, real constraints, production-grade environments. Test once, deploy with confidence. Amphix helps you move faster, reduce uncertainty, and build AI on a foundation designed for long-term production. From power on the ground to workloads in production. The Amphix AI Infrastructure Platform. Infrastructure orchestrated.